Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Here we go, checking out these Trustfeet insoles for standing all day. They support unisex design, dynamic support, improved performance, antibacterial and mesh fabrics. So normal arches for slightly flat feet. Precautions on the back here. So insoles are pretty important. Sometimes the shoes I get aren't the best, and insole can make a big difference as far as comfort wise. So in here we have two of these. This to be some nice like triple layer. This looks like a, let's see what else is in the box here real quick. I wonder if I have to cut these or not. Some of these insoles you have to cut to your own size, and some not. I don't think so. These are should be for 10.5 sizes for choosing. Okay, so these are 10.5. They feature this little gel pad for your heel, and then some moderate arch support there. That's kind of nice. So pretty firm foam here, and then here on the front portion has a little bit of grip, so your thing's not going to slide around. This is kind of a rubbery feel to it. And then you have this mesh portion on top, which hopefully allows the feet to breathe. I'm going to put these in my shoes and test them out here. All right, friends, so it says I just pulled out the instructions, and it said to just take out your old insoles and kind of measure them with the, see how well they fit. So as you can see, it's a little torn up. Definitely needs some new insoles. So about perfect on the size, so 10.5. And yeah, this one's really beat up. So I got these shoes a while ago, and there's only a couple things they didn't really hold up, but as far as like just being really comfortable shoes, these ones are pretty nice. But anyways, let's try the insoles out. They should fit perfectly in here since they were exactly the same size as those other ones. So that just slips right in there. And there we go. Oh yeah, just like it was made for it right there. So there it is. Plus it's green. Gotta say, I'm a little partial to green. That's my favorite color. So that's in there nicely. Super easy to just slide it in there. Make sure, of course, you have the toe facing the correct direction. And then just pretty much slide that in there. I'm gonna give these a try. Let's see. It's gonna add some more comfort to my foot there. That was getting a little thin on the bottom, and so these do have some cushion on them, but not much padding was there for my foot. So this is going to be a nice addition there. Plus it's got that good arch support right there. I'm going to try these on and see how they work for me. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try these on real quick. Oh, that's already a lot more snug than those other ones. I mean, look at these before, just almost nothing to these. I'm feeling the arch support already. Oh yeah. So because those other ones were so small, my foot was kind of loose in there. These feel a lot more snug, a lot less my foot sliding around. And oh yeah. Now that is quite a bit better. I can feel I definitely feel the arch support. As like this before, there was nothing there. So it's important to have some good arch support with your feet. I always tell myself, don't go cheap on shoes. And then I buy something like this. So these arch supports are definitely super nice. Yeah, the comfort level went way up. And they're green, so that's a bonus. But yeah, it's good to take care of your feet, because if you have problems with your feet, that can transfer to your knees, it can transfer to your back and all that, and just mess up everything if it's not aligned, or if your feet starting to get feet pain and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty sweet insoles here, nice and comfortable, and definitely I'd say like 100% better on the ones that I had just in there. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.